Scared to talk in front of the camera? Don't worry, lahat tayo dumaan dyan. But today, I'll show you how I personally overcame the fear of looking awkward, sounding weird, and being judged. And by the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step game plan to start speaking confidently kahit ngayon pa lang. Hi, I'm Sally. I built multiple businesses through content. But honestly, when I started, sobra akong nahihiya. My first video, super awkward. I cringed watching myself. I didn't like my voice. I didn't like how I looked. And I was so scared of what people would say. Ganun pa rin ba? I'm sure you are. Pero alam mo, if I let that fear stop me, I wouldn't have built my brands, my communities. That's why I'm so passionate about this topic. Kasi I know maraming gustong magsimula. Pero ang number one enemy nila is not skills. It's fear. Let's first understand bakit ba tayo natatakot. Number one is fear of judgment. We're afraid people will laugh at us or think we're not good enough. Grabe to. Ang daming pinatay na pangarap itong fear na to. And don't ever, ever let it kill your dream too. Okay ba tayo doon? Number two reason is perfectionism. We want our first video to look like a pro production. Pero sa totoo lang, hindi yan realistic. Expect nothing from your first video. It is just a testing phase. Practice lang yan. Okay, third reason is comparison. We scroll and we see this perfect polished influencers and we think like, I can't be like that. But here's the truth. Every confident speaker you admire today, they started from day one. Hindi sila exempted. The only difference is they kept going. So don't ever compare your day one to their day 100 or day 1000. When I first recorded my video, I don't want to watch it or even listen to it. Sobrang nahihiya ako sa boses ko, ang pangit-pangit, pati yung pagsasalita ko, the way I talk, the way I look, ang pangit. Pero I realized something later on. No one really cares as much as we think. People are more focused on what they can get from you, not how your hair looks, or if you said 5 times. The turning point came when I stopped caring about me and started caring about who I could help. And in this video, that's you. And here are my practical tips for you. Tip number one, accept awkward beginnings. Your first videos will feel cringe. Normal yan. Pero, kailangan mo yung unang step na yan para makarating sa 100th video, where you will feel more natural and confident. Tip number two, imagine talking to one person. Instead of thinking about thousands of viewers, imagine mo lang nakausap mo yung best friend mo. Think of your audience as one person who needs your advice. That's how I talk to my camera, like I'm having coffee with a friend. Tip number three is practice in private. Record yourself without posting muna. Do a 1-minute talk daily. Watch it, laugh at it, learn from it. Over time, masasanay ka rin. Just like a muscle memory, speaking to the camera becomes natural. My tip number four is shift the focus. Don't obsess over your face or your voice. Focus on the message. Ask yourself, who will this help today? Because kung may isang taong matutulungan ka, that video already has a purpose. Tip number five, embrace progress, not perfection. You don't need fancy lighting, scripted words, or perfect editing. Ang importante is consistency. Kasi habang ginagawa mo, doon ka nagle-level up. Doon ka nagle-level up. Here's the secret mindset shift that I want to teach you. Confidence doesn't come before action. It comes after. So you don't wait until you're confident to start filming. You film now, even when you are shaking and shy, and confidence is your reward. So remember, ang camera is just a glass and metal. It's not judging you. The fear is only here in your mind. And one more thing, silence the inner critic. If that voice says, "Who are you to talk?" remind yourself, you're someone with a story, with an experience, with value, and that is enough. People will forget your awkward moments, pero ikaw, you will remember your courage. Think about it. The worst that can happen is someone scrolls past your video. The best that can happen, you can change someone's life. So, which one is worth focusing on? The scroll or the transformation? Now that you know how to start overcoming your camera fear, don't stop here. Watch this next video where I share how I turn content into income. I'll see you there.